Everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are gonna see how to send disappearing photos and videos on WhatsApp. So for that, let's head over to our WhatsApp application first. Once in there, make sure you have logged in into your desired account and then head over to any conversation and then head over to the camera. Now here, keep tab picture. And then here you will find the one option in here on the lower bottom corner. So keep tap on it. So as you can see, video is set to view once. If I turn it off, it is changed and now it is set to view once, or it will be sent as disappearing photo or video. So once I am tapping on the paper plane, it sends like this. So as you can see, people can view it once and after that they can't view it. So yeah, this is how easily you can send disappearing photos and videos on WhatsApp. Hope this video will help you out and we will see you in the next video.